Hallo! Jo! Hey, that's better. Hi! Welcome in, welcome in. We're gonna hop right into it. I have a big project planned. I want to build basically this thing, just in really cool. Let me just turn this on. Ooh, look at that. It's a LED like a little bench. And you can program it. It's actually pretty cool already. It's very inexpensive. Like these things, you can get them for like a few bucks on AliExpress. However, what this isn't is RGB. And who are we if we don't want RGB, right? So, we're going to design a new version with RGB. And it's going to be great, but it's also going to be a lot of work. And we will need to test a few things first. So, yeah. Time to hop right. Wow, everything works today, isn't that crazy? Okay, so I have two PCBs started and started working on them. One is this, which basically is the test version, and then I have one with the full resolution. But today we're going to concentrate on the test version because, well, I don't want to order a PCB in the multi-hundreds of euros area without knowing that what I actually planned is working. So we're going to do a more like 20-ish bucks version first. I'm gonna see. Okay, so one thing that's really cool about KiCad, the tool that I'm using, is you can automate stuff with Python. Did I? No, I don't have that anymore. Cool. And since we are so much of a lazy freak, where's the command to run this again? I'm lazy. Where we're there. So we can just ask AI to write this stuff. We will still have to do the actual design. Okay, I know. We need to copy this out of here so it doesn't fire automatically. And then we give the full path. Home, Caesar, git RGB badge / unexpected indent. There's a space in front. Hydro! How you doing? How are you doing? And you are not allowed to tell me that I don't know about you. What are you doing? Okay, so we start with this. This will move the LEDs over. Then we can clear the old wires. Delete. Now I want the new wires. I had electric muscle therapy. Oh, so you're sore. Yeah. Oh, wait. Actually, you didn't do that right. Oh, maybe it did and I just missed. Yeah, no, actually you did. Okay, sorry. No, stop. Can I undo? I can't. But I can just delete this. Get the stuff from the schematic. Ooh, no. Update PCB, there we go. Hope you're okay? I'm doing great. I still have like my weird cough, but it's fine. I'm making wait a second, I should actually put the thing higher so you can actually see it. Wait. Yeah. So I have this little thing, like a LED little badge. You can program them. Really cool. But there's one problem with them. It's only white. And you know what I like? I like colors. And so we're going to make one that is colorful. Red? No. All the colors. All the colors. R, G, and B. And even a little bit more high resolution, a little bit bigger. And yeah. Just going to move. Magenta is a nice color. Magenta is a nice color, yeah. And you will be able to use that. Oh, sorry. Delete. There you go. So we move these into here. Roughly there. Oh. No, please. Yep, thank you. There are the wires. Come on. Let me select all of these and move them. Move them. Okay, so these are... Are they just wrong? They are just wrong. Yeah, the offset between the VDD and GNDs, they're not right. So we delete again. Click here, update. Nope. Sorry. The far enough, we need them place them between the we can okay. But yeah, so while this is the one that we're working on right now, there's also this one. Oh, that would close it. Well, that's fine. There's also this one, which is the finished version. We just have to try some stuff and figure out some more components. But this is 2,560 individual LEDs. All addressable, all programmable. Great stuff. Great stuff. But before I buy a thing that is this complex, we want to buy a sample. And this is what we're doing right now. Okay. Open this. Make small. VDD, ground. Yeah. Okay, cool. What was that? Here. So complicated? I mean, yeah, but it's also not. I'm gonna show you in a second once we are done with the placing. Give me just 1 second. So home, Caesar. I also need to type it correctly. Git RGB badge. Yes. So we first of all rotate and stack these LEDs closer together so they are packed very tightly. It's called with a certain pitch. The pitch is 1.6 millimeters. So from each individual LED to the next, it's 1.6 millimeters. So the middle of the LED to the next middle of the LED. Yes. Now we want the voltage wires. So these will be the points where we connect the LEDs to their supply voltage. And we place them right in the middle here. That should be fine. And then we place our ground wires, which will connect the LEDs to ground. Which again will also be zoom in. Red point. Oh, well, let's go a little bit. Yeah, that's roughly the middle. That's fine. Okay. And now we will route the data connections. Route these, and we're done. Okay, so why this crazy layout? Because this makes stuff really easy. If you see that all the LEDs, their voltage comes from this star basically, and same with the ground, and then the data just flows from 1 to 4 everywhere. That's like really nice, really precise. Love that. Really good. Really well done. If you would not rotate the LEDs, then you would have like some snaking between them, but that is really annoying. That is hard to manufacture. This is what you want to do. It's harder to place the LEDs, but since a machine will do that... By the way, you can't hand solder this anymore, sadly. I wish you could, because then I would do it. I would do it on stream, but you can't. I've looked at the data sheet of this LED here, and if you scroll down a little bit, they tell you how to solder them. And whenever you see a curve like this, you should be scared, basically. So yes, Caesar, they are very small. They are 1 by 1 millimeter. But manual welding, which is soldering, but, you know, translation, is recommended only for repair and heavy industry situations. A soldering iron of less than 30 watts is recommended to be used in hand soldering. I don't have that. I have way more. Please keep the temperature of the soldering iron under 300 degrees. We can do that. Each terminal of the LED is to go for less than 3 seconds and 1 time only. So these have 4 terminals, and it's 2000 LEDs. How about we don't do that? How about we don't do that, right? And you are only allowed to heat them up to 255 degrees for 10 seconds. Which is where the solder actually flows. That is... It's insane. It is really bad, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna order them. I'm just gonna order them done. But okay, so what we want here is something pretty simple. We want a test sample so we can evaluate if our placement of the LEDs is right and if the way we connect them is okay. Because ordering the whole 2,500 LEDs on one board is expensive and paying all that just for us to find out that it doesn't work, that would be very, very bad, right? So I see a few things. So first of all, this one needs to go there. So it's actually in the wrong net. So these needs to be in GND. Where we can then wire this up. This I don't understand. Like, why do you do this? That makes no sense. Because we can just wire this directly. That is absolutely fine. We just wire these. Same with this. No clue why we did that. We just wire this. Also, I don't think we want these tiny things. I think we want these bigger traces. What's the difference between the blue string with the circles? So the circles are vias, so they are holes which go through the entirety of the PCB and will connect the different layers. Because if we look at our board setup, we should have, let me see, physical stack up, we have 4 layers, which is absolutely right. And with that, we want the following. So if I place a rule area, no, that is we want a fill area, right? Yeah, fill zones. We can basically tell it, sorry, am I allowed to do this? Okay, so we want in this, we want to use this tool. Right, copper 1, let's do ground here. Oh god, right. Let's get this decently placed. Doesn't have to be perfect, but should be good. That we can edit this in a like later. Let's just edit this for now. Okay, maybe we just, oh wait. Grid snapping. Something this. So this is going to be ground. 4 layers for LEDs when they cover each other up. So the reason is because we want a bulk copper inlay to dissipate as much heat as possible. And we then also want basically the inner 2 layers to just deliver power and then have data on top and data on the bottom. So we will have data being like distributed on the bottom layer and then the individual data lines actually on the top layer. So we have this because they are, while this is still a very simple one, we will have on the finished version multiple data lines because we can't refresh all the LEDs fast enough. So we will go with it was 8 data lines on the. How does the copper not mess up the current flow? Well, why would it? It does the current flow, which is why we use that. We use the copper to have current flow. That's the answer. I hope that helped. So all these wires are kind of stupidly placed and we really don't want them. Because why? Oh, that's why. They snaked wrong. Ah, the snake drone. But it was something else. I mean, yeah, it is just the layer in between, like sandwiched between the carbon, the fiber. Is it? It's just fiber. And you will then transmit whatever you want over there. It's just another layer. Okay, I see why they did that now. But I don't like that. How can I tell it that I don't want it this way? Okay. The serpentine currently like this. Just then just that dash that is that some AI program? Yes, that is some AI program. This is Claude code. And so what I use Claude here for here is you cannot, like, packing all these LEDs really tightly is not really something the CAD just does for you. So you either need to place them individually, which is just not, first of all, not repeatable, and second of all, not precise. And thirdly, like the auto wiring and just being able to click one button and have it grouped in a way where I want it to be, that is really important for design. You're here? Welcome back. Good to have you here. I'm seeing one thing though. Insanity isn't transpiring here. Hi, Unloaded. We're designing things. And YouTube did not pick up the stream again. Which is sad. My internet's stuck. Ah, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. So it's this. Let's see if this makes sense. But ever thought of replacing that work with a jet stream? No, I don't know what you mean by that. Oh, jet stream, Sam. Why? And actually, like, I know that this sounds like pedantic. Oh, I want it not in the height, I want it in the length. But it is a really important, really important, because with that we will avoid all those wires and not have to route any data on the back for these things. So yeah, actually really important stuff. Anyhow, One thing I wanted to do is open up a new thing, cd git chat git pull. That might take a while. No, cool. We are again a live stream on YouTube and TikTok. It's why it's someone be associated with a Brazilian double jumble samurai? What? I wouldn't. Okay. I apparently don't know that animation for when the texting bar moves, that's so smooth. Yep, my colleagues hate it, but it's fine. Fix, and we are going to. Doesn't do anything. Okay, sure. Do the plan mode, do the thing. Okay. Why do they? I don't know. It's just personal preference, you know. Just personal preference. Developer are very particular about what their PC does and how it should behave and look and feel. So it is just that. So okay, we place these again, then we remove all of this because we are going to replace those. Then we move all those LEDs over again. I mean, that's why there's always this discussion about what programming language is best, right? Because they're just particular about certain things. There is no best programming language, there are just dogshit ones like TypeScript, but that's fine. Hating on other programming languages. Juicy. I guess that's fine. Never heard of TypeScript? Have you heard of JavaScript? Yes, indeed. Yeah, so TypeScript is basically the spiritual, not really successor, but like what TypeScript would like to be. What JavaScript would like to be, because it's way more stable, way better. By the way, do we have a social Insta or DC? You can look at my About Me on Twitch, and then you will find out that I do indeed have those links somewhere. But yeah, that does exist. So, this one should be a ground. I don't know why it isn't. Same with this. Same with this. Why are all these shit? Wait, but this one? Oh, right, hi. Ground. And I think 3 resistors overkill for making NX gate. Yeah, that really depends. But better safe than be sorry, right? The magic smoke goes out once, it's hard to get in. Okay, could I please... There you go. Kinda need to hurry, because if I leave this open too long in a stuck state, it'll crash the entire thing. Oh, there's some... Maybe I should just auto-route and then fix later. You know what, let's auto-route and fix later. Okay. Yes. Close. Not to protect the LED, just to decide what path to make the current take. You use resistors to do that. It depends how you're building an NX get. Yeah, like I wouldn't use resistors to direct the current flow. I'd just use them to limit it. Why are all these wrong? Hmm. Also, I think if you type in ! Discord, it should give you a Discord link, but I'm actually not sure anymore. Also, do we have yes overlays were connected before the stream started? Yes. It is. Comprehensive overhaul. Very much. We need better. This needs to be stable. It's a core functionality. How limiters work, and if I have any. No, if you just, my guy, if you put in a resistor, that will automatically limit how much current goes through that, because your voltage most likely stays the same. You don't have a current source, you have a voltage source, right? You most likely don't need to change anything. Okay, so these will delete. One of them I could have actually kept, but it's fine. That's fine. These do make a little bit of sense, but I actually want to route them on the top two. I'm just going to make the PCB a little bit bigger. We're not constrained by size here. It's just a test. Purpose of limiters, but if you just said resistors can be limiters, why shouldn't I use them? You use them. You use them to limit the current flow, but you don't use them to guide the you don't use them to guide the current. You limit the current. Also, I want these to be on the other side. Flip side. Right. Well, but shouldn't a path without a resistor be preferable for a current to pass through? Yes, but preferable doesn't mean all of it goes through there. Just more. Okay. Even if I make the desirable path shorter than the resistor one, length isn't really an issue for electricity. Length isn't really an issue. They don't care too much about that. Because in the end, unless you're doing like some... Oh, hi. I believe you are supposed to be down here, eh? Yep. Unless you're doing some very high frequency stuff, shouldn't care too much about that. I mean, shorter is obviously always better because then you will have less resistance, but yeah. I must make another blueprint. If you want to try out some stuff and just get familiar with how this works in general, I can highly recommend using LT Spice. That's a free software where you can just where you can basically just try out different. We wanted to have this as a VDD. We can basically just set up different simulations for electronics. And it's very precise. Like you can basically model most stuff in it. I don't know of anything that you can't. Which doesn't mean that there isn't anything that you can't, but I don't know of it, and that should say at least something. Oh. There's a copper bar. Okay, and actually... Wait. But didn't I? Your VDD. I need to put a wire on here. Oh god. Okay, cool. So one wire there. And then we increase its diameter to... What is this? 0.5? Ah. Okay, wait a second. What? Ah, that's what we want. That is what we want. Right? This is VDD. My unit is still not connected here. Heck? Like electronics workbench, cousin engineering work used then too. No. LT Spice is I think free in open source. Let me check. Fast, free, unlimited. What is spice? And yeah, you can do a lot. A lot. And yeah, I can tell you that it's phew, that's something. Like if whatever you wanna model, you probably can do that in there. Hooping. Okay, wait, I need to... Fuckers. Secrets. The secrecy. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm a little bit confused why, by the way, let's delete this. Ah, looks so good. What? What looks good? So we go in here again, click there, that's ground, okay, yay. Now we go into this corner. All the way down here. Can we connect in Discord? My guy, you don't listen. Told you there is Discord linked in my About Me. And you can just click on that. And then you can join the Discord. Cool. I don't know why this is... Oh. What? Oh! Power routing is done. Well, it's not really. Because this is actually also ground. These are thicker, aren't they? Yeah, they're 0.25. These are just 0.2. No, not 5 millimeters. 0.25. Can't type. Okay. Since my invite link is already full. What? Statements made up by the utterly deranged. The frick are you talking about, my guy? Point 0.25. 0.25. I'll send you my username. No, you won't. If you do, I'll ban you. Lol. There's the thing where you can join a server. And then there's the thing where you get banned, okay? Those are the two options. Okay, no, there actually is a third and you just don't care about Discord anymore, but let's be honest, that won't happen. So... I mean, why is this not connected? I play some Skunked Night. Skunk... What? Skunk Night. I mean, yeah, you're playing Silksong, that's fine. I don't know where the night came from. Skunk made sense. Night, I don't know. I mean... No, wait, no. You're also only this. Okay. So am I now allowed to do fill? Why don't you fill there? I don't know. Huh. I don't get it. I do not get it. Is that what I need to do? No. Huh. Okay, maybe I need a different connector there. Now we're just going to ignore this guy and give this a different footprint. So, open up this schematic. All right. Okay, so wait a second. What do you think was the issue here? Streak opens after 3 failures. Works for 30 minutes. No manual reset. Oof, up to 40 minutes. we still need to consider the YouTube quota cost. Can't allow. Okay, and you go on 7, and then we're just going to continue here. Bye. Delete this and find a bit different footprint. Connect the generic. No default footprint. But that's the one we used already, right? So no footprint available. Let's sit down. Let's sit down. And find out. Okay, time to find stuff. No, interfaces are not what we want. Mechanical? No. RF is nothing we need. Sensors, nothing we need. No. Do we not have any connectors that actually do have a... Jesus Christ. Pretty sure that I used, what is it called? Not MOSFET, Molex. Molex. But I don't have that in my... X41. Oh, right. That was that fun stuff. Yeah, no. No. Um, do I still have more? Symbol libraries. There's still more that I could import. These are Git, RGB badge, keycut lips. Pretty sure I've already have all of those. Pretty sure I have all of those too, yeah. Expressive. There are a lot of footprints in here we might want to install. So let's go back to the PCB, go preferences, manage footprint libraries, and add those. Where gets there gets libs, footprints, then we go. Oh, that's only symbols. Okay. Wait. That should be fine. Okay, let's find a footprint. Connector. Pin socket? No. I mean, this is basically what we want. Right? And if I now assign these to data 1, data 2, ground, and VDD. And repour. Still doesn't work. Okay. Let's find a different. No, wait a second. It did work. But why the incredible keep out? That makes no sense. Strange. Mm-hmm. So C's. That's still not there. Interesting. this look like? Oh, yeah, no. No, 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 no. Very much no. Kinda cool, but no. Connector D-sub. D-sub is also very wrong. I see there are some that have just failed to import properly. Manage footprint libraries. So if I add more footprints, looks better. Is there a CMake in here? Let's see. Nope. Be fine. There is. Okay. Maybe now we have something that we can use. Oh yeah. Oh, now we have. Now, oh, look at this. There's a JST. 4 pins. Lovely. Let's use this one. Whoa, boy. And you're a chunk. Rotate. Flip. Are you making a tutorial pamphlet? No. And don't call me pamphlet. Oh, because I'm dumb. Was it 1? No, it was probably 0.1, right? Okay. That should be fine. Now we want to go back in here. I think this is the one that we used. The vertical or horizontal? I want the horizontal. Okay, we use the vertical. Yeah. Oh, what? Sure. Not like it would matter. Nah, my autistic ass can't. My autistic ass can't. Can't look at that. Can't look at that! That's terrible, yeah. Okay, I did understand. There you go. Nope, nope. We want to assign a footprint. Tools. Assign footprints. Hi, so right, so you are a JST, but not JT, JST. Maybe we may. 4 with 2.5 vertical. Ah, this one. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna go back. Data 2 to data 2. Yeah, okay, we can switch those. That's fine. And better. Cannot add J1, no footprint assigned. We just assigned you a footprint, you frick. Assign footprints. E for B. Apply save schematic and continue. Okay. Is it now right? Yes. Actually, wait a second. The data 2 is here and data 1 is there. Well, that will haunt me. Am I allowed to mark all of these and switch them? And then I could also, to not haunt me anymore, oh god, what have I done? I guess we're just gonna keep it like that. I guess we're just gonna keep it like that. It's not cool, but hey. What can you do? Okay, so this still doesn't do the thing, though. Oh, you're not allowed to connect to VDD. What is that? I mean, I could do this. That's kind of dumb. You know what? We're gonna use this. I don't care. One. Yay. It's a little bit sucky, but you know, sure. What? Wait. That's on the wrong track. So this is correct. And we're gonna make them go here, go here, go here, and make them big. Oh. What? Oh, I have accidentally typed in 10. Yeah. May I? That is fine. It makes so little sense to have these holes here, but I guess. Sure. Okay, now we don't do that, and we do this. And we route this to here, and this to here. And select all. That's 1 mil. That's 1 mil. And this is 1 mil. And this is 1 mil. Cool. Kinda annoying, but that's fine. Don't know why keycut one doesn't let me do this. Okay, so now we are on the blue side, where we now just need to connect. Right, actually we can do that on the red side either too. That's fine. So we connect this to here. And this goes all the way or all so much won't do that. It's gonna push this out a little bit. Push this out a little bit. And use this to go all the way around. I work tomorrow, I need to go. Oh my, thank you for hanging out. Thanks for hanging out. I've almost had to call the call. Oh god, I'm so sorry for you. Oh, I'm so happy I don't work with humans. Oh, you poor soul. Take care, take rest. Don't let Karens make you hate your job. Probably good job. Get the cough check out? Yeah, it's fine, don't worry. It might just be tuberculosis or something. As if anyone has ever died from that. Not funny. Well, I live in a country with healthcare. It's fine. German jokes, my god. So do I? Yeah, see? So why the worry? There you go. It's just my own blood. Like, it's fine. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Okay, hey, I think that's good. Let me extend the copper pour so the manufacturer won't hate me too much. Oh, it's already extended. Yeah. Okay. No. That's always safe. Now we get our Gerbers. You know what? Let me write something on the silk screen. 10x10 LED 1.6 mm pitch test. Should we write something else? What else should we write on this? Okay. Guess I'm fine with this. Gerbers. Oh, right. Wait. Before we do this, tools, inspect design rules checker on DRC. Yeah, okay. Actual 0.4. Okay, but 0.4 is still big. So what we need to do is board setup. There are some constraints here. So minimum via diameter is 2. Actually. So let's run this again. 10. Footprint does not match copy and library connector JST. I mean, that's fine. That doesn't matter. Pretty sure. That's okay. Oh, because this does this. In reality. Is that the problem? And that's why we need to have the keep out. Okay. Inspect the design rules checker. Run DRC. There's still errors. Unconnected item. Path had 3 of ground. Oh, hi. With this? Oh, yeah. These need to be connected. It's true. Same with these. Completely forgot about them. Good that we have a design rule checker. That one is actually unconnected. These ones go like this. This one is also unconnected. Okay. That should be it. Let's see. Inspect, design rules checker, run. 2 more errors. What is that? Missing connection between items. What? So unsure. This connector doesn't seem to be the right fit, I guess. Maybe we just need to find a different one again. But anything is ends? correct. Um. I am so unsure if this is actually an issue. Let me see. If I export this. Gabas. Lots. Right? Then we go into Dolphin. Oh, that's Dolphin. So. Git. RGB bench. So everything.grb. Shop, Gava. I'm not allowed to. Zip those. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. Time to use the console. How do I do that again? Zip. And the folder you want to compress. Okay, so I will move all these things into a folder. Move to new folder. But I'm not allowed to do that here. That is interesting. Anyway, open terminal here, please. Thank you. Zip -R or recursive array. -R, yeah. Oh. Now where was it? Dun. Okay. So we need 4 layers, Java files, form, git, RGB badge, cad, sample, zip, open. Cool. Yeah, all the simple things. Expensive? More expensive, yeah. Let's do the really cheap one. Nice, cool. Holy shit. I mean, oof. But we'll get there. We'll get there. That's going to be... Yay. Both sides. I think these two, right? Ultrasonic cleaning. There was something with baking here, I'm pretty sure. Can I control F? Bake? Yeah, if moisture absorbent fade away, should be performed. Sort of within... I mean, yeah, probably not needed. That's gonna be fine. Probably not needed. Conformal, I would love that. Wait, 260. Does that work with these? 260 is still fine, right? Just about. Nah. Let's go with low. That is so expensive. 260 most. Oh, I don't know. What are the TOS? Medium or low density? How can I get them to whatever? 2.5 millimeters? Okay, that's fine. And they don't do much checking, do they? Just because of the inventory mismatching, pick place machine, refund, relevant cost. Oh. There's no other signal process. Accurate data. Und das for function tests, ja. That all makes perfect sense. What is medium density? Assignment. Component spacing, there you go. 31. So 36, 37. Okay, so here are a lot of things. So small outline, no lid. Quad flat, no lid. Oh god. Next chip concave, leadless chip carrier. Single square smaller than leads. Mm-hmm. I'm unsure if I were to upload something really stupid, if they would just take the money and try to manufacture it and then be like, yeah, you did goof. Which would be fine. Right? Because I did goof then, but... Is that what I want? No. Okay. Yeah, okay, sure. I'm unsure if this is actually the issue, but sure. Okay. Let me download this. I'm very much human. Okay. Because I have to wait. I mean... Yes, we would like to have a function test. What do we need to attach here? Oh. I mean, one issue with this is that we probably don't have a good connection with the okay. Yes. Oh no. Oh, Telekom. Is it happening again? Is it happening again? It is happening again, isn't it? Upload your document. Share one of your study documents. Oh, blue. motherfucker. Not gonna do that. Big time, not gonna do that. Oh, sorry. Do you even have a function test? No. Ah, required. Fuck. What does that mean? Burning from a picture of the board. A programming interface definition reserved on the board. A picture of the board. I mean, I don't know, man. You just need to power it, actually. To do everything else itself. But it's fine. Let's click next. Add a bomb. A click and place file. Let's see. How many are you getting? 5 of these small ones. Like they are just test files. They're just tests. So we've done this basically. Which are just 10 by 10. And I'm just gonna go with a few, like just very few, because I wanna see, right? I wanna see if stuff works. And I'm just going through the process right now a little bit. Is that 5 are broken as some? Yeah. And this is only the test, right? If those all break, then I know I need to do way different things. And I'm gonna talk to them probably and be like, what did I do wrong? And hope that can help me. By the way, yeah, before we go through with this, let's actually fix the one issue we have still left. So this connector seems to be broken. I don't like that. Also fun. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Maybe this one? But that's a GH. Is that bigger or is that smaller? Probably smaller. Bigger. Jesus Christ, make this. Are you gonna program them? So I'm just gonna, these I'm just going to use to test. So I'm just gonna hook up a ASP by just some wires with the JST. Again, just testing boards, nothing fancy. Claude is waiting for my input. Yeah, continue. Do we have STs? SH? Oh my god, I am so confused again what all those GSTs were. Oh, but wait a second, there is something I can just click on. H. But that seems a little bit too tiny. Right? I mean, I could use a 6-pin. How are you this big? How many monitors do you have? A few? Why? I was gonna get a triple monitor arm. I have one double and one single. But I would actually go for only singles. They are more flexible. But yeah, arms, monitor arms are just great. Love them. Oh boy. Okay. Still find something that I need to. There we go. I mean, this is the one that I wanted to use. But for some reason, I don't get this to be happy with me. Maybe doing one triple and a double for flat main screen. That. I have no freaking clue what you were talking about at this point. That sounds like a crackhead. I mean, how is this so big? Curved 21 inch. 27. And flat 27 an inch. So that mold. The left to curved. I don't know, man. But I also have like the most deranged setup, so I shouldn't judge. It's 2x. Can I tell this that you are reference? Let's call this J1 and then be happy. No. Sign footprints. Which one did I choose? BM06B. BM06B. This one. No, wait, oh god. SH. No one isn't here. Is it O? So it is JST underscore SH underscore BM 06B. Okay. Now, what I actually want to do is delete this, make it a con6. That makes more sense. This, then we copy over this to here. Here, delete this one. Copy this over to here. And right, sign footprints, hi. 06. Shit. EM 06. There you go. Cool. This one goes. And now I'm just gonna use vias. That's VDD. Okay. Cool. I think these were what are these? 0.25. Whew. You already have the cursed ones. I mean, the cursed ones, the curved ones. Yeah. And again, I can't. I mean, I have a. What is this? 24-inch, 100 hertz, 1080p, 24-inch. 4 camera died. Oh, that's lovely. Can you please undie? Hi. Thinking about 34-inch WQHD. Okay. Yeah, I don't like them anymore. I have one. Which is now in a vertical mode, but yeah, otherwise I don't like them. Vertical is fine because I now have basically like 2 more square-ish screens there, but yeah, otherwise not a fan of them. And I know it's cursed, but I mean, what are you gonna do? Sue me. Tools. Inspect, design, checker. I see. 1 error, why? Ah, okay, yeah, this one is obviously shit. Just going to delete that. And then there's this, which needs to move. Okay, sorry. Delete. Cancel. Cancel. Delete. Delete. I know what. Fuck that. We'll just delete all of those. And use this to route that way. And I think you should now be happy. Tools. Right, inspect, design, route checker. 0 warnings, 0 errors. Yes, let's go. Let's go with that. Let's go with that. I'm not too happy about like double using stuff here, but it's fine. That's okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Like, cuts into here a little bit, but apparently that's okay. But yeah. Ooh. File. Location Gerber. What? Right, apply to all overrides. Cool. And we zip. should be fine. Then we bomb again. Yeah, I'll see how much this actually costs, right? Like, decently cheap, but most likely just I'm going to be happy. Okay, so during edge run, yes. No. Doesn't cost me anything. Oh, cost me 8 cents. Yeah, okay, fuck that. We are so just going to be fun with that. Right, our minimum via, the smallest vias we have are these ones, and they are they're 0.2. They are 0.2. Yeah. No, they got way more expensive, but that's fine. Okay. Right, inner copper weight, we need 1. Price is getting higher. Should be fine, should be fine. Okay, we definitely want to do this. Well, we'll see. So, we want... Oh, right, we only have the top side now. Nice. Economics, then what's the difference? What is this? Single-sided placement. Ah, okay. Yeah, okay, that's not what we need right now. That's fine. Match select bomb. Review and confirm the selection if any selected for choose replacements. Right, also, do we need application outputs? Component placement. Is that what I need? Generate position file. Close. What kind of file is that now? Was That's fine, that should be fine. Next. Okay, I don't have a CPL file. How can I get a CPL from here? Vision outputs. Keycards. Placement list. File fabricant footprint positions. Follow the prompts to export it in CSV. Okay. So. Caching outputs, footprint. Footprint report or component placements, oder? Footprint position. That doesn't exist, you fuck. AI lied again. Pick and place. From position file. Host file. Okay, and then we do CSV. Oh, and then you have to edit them? Wow. Okay. File fabrication outputs. Position. Format CSV. Generate position file. Okay, and then we need to edit this and we need to call this. We are on 1. So this needs to be called designator. Val package is still fine. This is midx. This is Mid-Y is rotation. And this is layer. Okay. Oh, which one did I edit? Which one did I edit? CD git RGB badge CD cut badge sample vim badge top .csv was dash top dash pos csv. Okay, I actually got the right one. Nice. Top pos open. Process these. The file is large, is it? Oh my. But what is in the bomb? File processing failed. Check your file. Are you shitting me? Okay, wait. View sample bomb. XLSX. I hate you. I don't even know which one failed. Okay, supply and refers with both empty, so I don't think that is good. So let's go here. Footprint editor. XL-1010. Wait. Wait, why don't I have this anymore? Library link. LED. Jesus Christ, where's LED? There, LED SMD. This one. Oh, because it's called different. Right, so this one. Can I edit different name? Can I edit the fields that is in here? I don't really want to. Show data sheet. Okay, yeah, close enough, but not what I want. Also shows the data sheet for the 2020. Telecom edit again. Nah. Ah, see. There we go. Cool. So what we want to fill in with the bomb is we have, I think, no. The quantity is 100. I don't know why that doesn't fill. Okay, I believe that this should be fine. Bomb. Comment. Designator. Footprint. Is whatever. And LCSC part number. And the LCSC part number is LCSC part number is this one. So if I add this as a LCSC, we just add this like that. Yeah, LCSC, and then add the this one. Okay. That should be on all of these now, right? It isn't. The library symbol didn't do shit. Lovely. Why? Symbol editor. Oh, because it's probably down here. No, it's not. Where is that? Uh, 1010. No, can't search for that apparently. XL. Okay, because I need to filter he. Oh god. So this is let's this one. Lovely. So fields. Can I add another field? That is not this. Wait, huh? Why am I not allowed to edit this? how do I edit the part number of this? Interesting. This doesn't do shit. So that's the library browser, not the symbol editor. The symbol editor doesn't want to start. Lovely. How do I get here? Symbol properties. Simple properties. I'm not allowed to open the symbol editor right now. Which is fine, I guess. Let's restart keycodes. There you go. Now I am. Lid. Cool. I mean... Ah, symbol properties. Nice. LCSC. Paste. Okay. Save. So this now has the LCSC tag. This. Okay, that works. So we download the bomb script. And we put that where? Add plugin. Material, add plugin. Okay, also, let's see if our connector has that. JST dash, oh, sorry, T. Ah, because the connector. Open up the PCB editor in a new window. Zoom in. I do have a data sheet for this, right? Yeah. Data sheets. Where am I allowed to see the data sheet? Interesting. Hmm. Am I not allowed to see the data sheet? JST. JST. EM06. Oh, a lot of those. Which one is it actually? It's the SBSRSSTB. E-SRSS. HTB. So this one. Was LCSC, right? LCSC, yeah. Okay. Okay. Continuing. Cancel. Save. Cool. I mean, you usually want these to be connected to ground too, but it's fine. So if I now go to fabrication outputs, doesn't let me export it with a thing. Let's see. We can now maybe import this. Oh, there's there. See? If this works. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, please. Please give me a proper... Please give me a proper error message. I don't know what to change. Look at... let's clear this. Clear. Add... and add sample CSV. Dash. I'm trying to... PCB, but they fail. Why? Are you shitting me? What do you mean? That I'm asking Claude to do this? And I don't know what the frig is wrong with these files? No, I'm not shitting you. I don't know what you're doing. I'm asking what the fuck is wrong with the files. My internet? Ah, okay, yeah, okay, that's different. Couldn't have match this format. Convert comma dim limited at... Yes. Yes. I'm sorry. The WS2812B is... Okay, I can't use that. JST, it's... What is this? Oh, there's a thing on top. Cool. Din din. Okay, let's see if we can trust this guy. CD git RGB cut net batch sample cut bomb and then I mean I can see that's fine. Yeah, that is just fine. Okay. And CPL. Oh, sorry. Cplay. Sure. Cut CPL. Okay, so this one we want to look at next to each other. Cut. No, sorry. Cut. Let batch sample top was. So that's, some of them are 0. Some of them are 0. That's correct. Yeah, seems okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. 504? Attrition. Oh, it's only 20 bucks, that's nice. What is standard only? Ah. Per assembly side. Should be longer than 70 mil. So wait a second. Wait a second. So now it's going to be 7 centimeters? Oh, because I don't have WebGL activated, do I? Settings. Oh yeah. Cool. Okay. I want to order this? Let's save this to cart. Confirm. Baking required. Ah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, so the PCB is... I mean, yeah, it's probably exactly what we need. Oh my god! Okay, do we... Am I just gonna order it now? Okay, let's think about this for once. Let's think about this. Data 1, we have data 2, we have 2 grounds, 2 VDDs. Yeah, should be fine. Should be fine. I am so confused. So we need to bake those. Which means we need to they need to be heated up so they dry out and stuff like that. When they get here, do I have to still be careful with them with moisture, or are they then just stable? Like, how does this actually... I don't know. But whatever, you know? That's fine. Save to cart. Confirm. Yes, thank you. Save to cart. What do you mean? So, okay, these what are they called? The LEDs are very much moisture sensitive. They need to be baked in order to dry out once they if they are reflowed, or if they're solid. So my question is, do I need to be careful with them in the sense of just having them laying around, being like, will they rot basically? Is that something? I am confused. No clue. Yeah, me neither. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. I just saw something. Why is this way around? That's wrong, isn't it? There needs to be... Can I still edit these? I can't. Okay, but we can just go through everything. Yeah, delete. Okay, so we just, products, this thing. It's in quote, blah, 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 blah. We need to, but why does... Oh, wait a second. Am I just stupid? Did I just... Am I just stupid? Grab a zip. I might have just been stupid. Save to your file manager. Okay, cool. Yay. All the cheap stuff. We need a little bit more copper inside. We need these. Does this cost anything? Okay, 80 cents. I will pay 80 cents for them to confirm this. Yeah. How much does confirming cost here? We'll have to... Oh, right, we have to do standard anyway. Ah, edge rails will be added. Yeah, okay. Okay. You know what? Or maybe... That's okay. Next. Bomb, open, and this, open. Next. Yeah, no. This one is the wrong way around. Interesting. Can I still... Ah, rotate 180 degrees. Yes. Okay. Let me check this really quick. Oh god. But I mean, that should be fine. Right? Okay, this is definitely digital in. This seems to be right. Same with this, digital in. Yeah. Next. Product description. What does this do? Okay, wait a second. So let's close a few things. JLC PCB HS codes. Just use in your components. Ah, okay, so that is just something for the US. Okay, we do not care for that. That is a development bot. Baking required. Yes, we know that. Okay. More coupons? Wait a second, there probably is like some J C PCB. Okay, to be honest, this side already screams nope, doesn't work. Yeah. Okay. Time to buy. Oh, wait, no. Nope. No. No. I forgot something. I forgot something really important. Capacitors. I forgot to ask. Do we need capacitors? And if how many slash between which yes, okay. Alright, we need caps. We need caps, we are far from done. I forgot the caps. I forgot the caps. Okay. As close to each LED as possible to each LED. Okay, so that doesn't work. Okay, so I can't really get the caps on the caps on the side. The side. But we have vias of where's my entire Steam library? I don't know. Each via supports why is my entire Steam library plus X? Ah, now I understand. I mean, yeah. Bottom side caps, 25 total. It's via on the bottom side, okay. The 5V. Okay, so now what we also want is caps. Makes this way more complicated. Actually, no. Is that way more complicated? So it's gonna be a fun one with a bigger one, but we have 4 here. I ran LSLA on my route. Ah, it might take a while, but doesn't break anything, so it's fine. Or did you notice anything that you didn't want to notice? Oh, wow. That's gonna be fine, right? Surely. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, cool. How much do we need again? 1 microfarads. I mean, I kind of want to just trash all this now. Okay, you know what? We're just going to do this. Delete all these. Delete all this. $16. 32. 64, and we want to cut off at 50. Okay, cool. I mean, those are all there. Biggest issue here. So all of these I want to flip. Hi. Where's all the F? There you go, okay. Cool. The B stuff I kind of still want to keep. There you go, cool, nice. Lovely. Oh, sorry. Huh? Oh wait, those are all between ground and ground. That does not help at all. um... Mm. I think I need smaller ones. Oh, 60. What is 0603? Oh, 3, yeah. Capacitor 0603. Okay. Actually, my kernel. Well, I would know. Everything again. So we delete these again. on the other side. Cool. So I'll now put these here. Ish. I mean, ideally, I would rotate them. I can just do whatever, but I guess I'm gonna do this. My test safest. We do have strange issues, my guy. We do have strange issues. And we are missing a via here. Manual placement seems a bit meh. Can't you tell them? I mean, I did that with the LEDs, but it's fine. It's just 25, it's not that many. I just need to make sure that I actually place them correctly spaced. Why the badge? Why the badge in general? Oh god, there they are. Yo, what motivated me? I wanted one since I went to the Communication Congress. I was looking for one with actual... like actual cool features, and well, now I got one. Oh no, I will have one, surely. This won't take ages and never be finished. I mean, okay, I can place one more and then makes it nicer. I'll just place one. Come on, let me select the... Yep, there you go. Nice. What color will the final PCB be? I'm thinking black because that contrasts best. Right? Black PCBs are so clean, yeah. They're lovely. I'm so unsure why he wants to this all the time. Anyway, we're just going to wire them up now. What? One lot of wire? Oh yeah. Because this one doesn't know it's ground. X is for the track, okay. Where are you? Yeah, before you miss a single tray. Size. I mean, we will do something like that with the final design, right? There will definitely be some shenanigans. 100%. But not now. Not with a test. I'm definitely gonna put a salad on the one, on the finished one. Okay. I already see one thing. Can text what it looks like. Yeah, but it's so gonna be so tiny. No space for the boy kisser. What are you? Why do you exist? Plenty of space. That thing is like 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Oh, this one is too far to the left. Go. There's only one space between those, but two between these. So either... we do two. These go one lower. That's weird with the pets down there. Strange. Ah, look at this. No. Huh? I don't know what's going on here. Let's see, if I now do design rule checker. How many errors? No. Nice. Okay. Pro is using very strange tactics. Okay. Better? Better, right? File, export, grabbers. What? Okay, so you, thank you. Go into here. Apply to all overrides. Cool. Then we need the bomb. And we need the component placement as a CSV. Okay. Look at the new generated bomb and placement. We will be using 0603 caps as 08's too big. Um. Oh, data line resistors. Hmm. I guess we'll need that. I guess we will need that, and we will do that, but not today. Today, I'm gonna go sleep. Because today is no more. So, with that, guys, have a good one, Evignan. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I will see you. We're gonna finish this tomorrow. Absolutely. So, with that, have a good one, everyone. Bye-bye. Bitch. Ooh. Oh, wait a second. There's something we want to test. There's something we still want to test. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And it still doesn't work. Okay. Goodbye. See you. See y'all. Bye.